Welcome to Classical Grooming. Today, I'm using a soapless shaving cream made by Stephan's. To use a cream, I usually wet my face with cool water, then massage a dollop of the cream into the water on my face. Once the mixture is slick over the whole face, it's time for the razor. Shaving with this cream is more like shaving with skin lotion because in a lot of ways that's exactly what it is. Very slick but not cushioning, so you need to take your time. Another difference is that you can see where you've shaved with the lather, while it's not that easy to do with the cream, which is nearly transparent on your skin. So you need to be methodical with your approach and shave a bit more by feel. Lastly, because it is a lotion, it doesn't easily rinse from your razor, but if you've added enough water to your face first, this won't be that big of a deal because the mixture will be thin enough that it won't actually interfere with the blade doing its job and will rinse out well enough and not clog. When the shave is finished, you can rinse it or wipe it off with a towel or just rub it in like lotion, easy peasy. I usually do a 2-pass shave, as I had mentioned before, with the cream without reapplying anything because my skin stays lubricated during both passes. I use the cream every other shave as soap lather tends to dry my skin. It's inexpensive. Stephan's cream is about 16 ounces for $6. It has a nice coconut scent, and I'd give it an overall rating of 7 out of 10. Have you used a soapless shaving cream? What was your experience? Please share it in the comments below.